Hello everyone, welcome to our lesson grade 7 as we're going to do the exponents, roots and logarithms. So on this topic we're going to do standard form. So I have my question here. It says 3,86 times 10 to the power 5 in standard form. So how do you basically do the 3,86 times 10 to the power 5 in standard form? So what you do is, remember the power of 10 tells you how many places to the right to move the decimal point. So our question, it says 3,86 times 10 to the power 5. So our key word here is 10 to the power 5. So to the power here is the number of zeros to the right we're going to add, or the number of places to move to the right a decimal, the number of places we move a decimal to the right. So here we say 3,86 times 10 to the power 5 is equal to 3,86, then we add zeros. Let's add 3 zeros here, and then if you want to put it in standard form, and then you count how many places to the right. Here it says to the power 5, so you count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So your answer would be 3,860, like this. So this is how you write your answer in standard form, like this. So let me give you another example on how to write a number in standard form. Let's say we have a question like 1,10 times 10 to the power 1 in standard form. Remember, our power here is the number of places we move a decimal comma. So 1,10 times 10 to the power 1 is equal to 1,10, then we add a 0, so we add a 1 0, and then to the power 1, and then you move 1 here. So your answer will be 11,00, or you don't put a 0. It's still fine. So our answer will be 11,00, like this. If you are to give an equation like 6,83 times 10 to the power 3 in standard form, so you say 6,83 times 10 to the power 3 is equal to 6,83, then you add zeros, say you add 2 zeros, and then remember it's to the power 3, and then you count how many places to the right 3 times, 1, 2 and 3. So your answer will be 6830,0, or you just leave it like 6830, like this. So this is how you do your standard form. So let me give you another example. We have a question like 7,07 times 10 to the power 6. So you say 7,07 times 10 to the power 6 is equal to 7,07, then you add your zeros, add at least 5 zeros, and then you count how many decimal places to the right, of which is to the power 6. So you count 6 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So your answer will be 7,070,000, like this. That will be your answer, comma or comma 0, or you just leave it like 7070000 like this. So for instance, you're given a question like 786 times 10 to the power 5. Let's say, 386 times 10 to the power 5. And then you want to write it in, you have a question like 4800, and then you want to write it in scientific notation. You asked to write it in scientific notation. Scientific notation. So you move the decimal point to the left until the number is between 1 and 10, right? So like this, 4800. You remember, you move your decimal to the left. So like here, 1, 2, and then is equal to 4.8 times 10 to the power 5, like this. So you counted 1, sorry, I left another 0 here. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it will be 4.8 times 10 to the power 5. That's more like 4800, like this. So this is more like scientific notation. Is just the answer you're given. That answer we get from 3.86 times 10 to the power 5. That's the scientific notation. And then you change that, the answer you get from 3.865 to standard form to scientific notation, like this. So this is your answer here. 4.8 times 10 to the power 5, that's 4,800. That's 4.8 times 10 to the power 5. So this is how you convert your numbers to standard form and from scientific notation. Until we meet again in our next lesson. Bye for now.